Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. You and your Android TV must share the same Wi-Fi network, and you should know whether you're on 4 GHz or 5 GHz for stability. Once confirmed, enable the TV's built-in casting or screen mirroring feature through device preferences. Now open the movie app on your phone and look for the cast icon or a screencast menu. Do this now so the devices can discover each other. It's the quickest path to a successful connection. Next, tap the cast icon and pick your Android TV from the device list. The TV will usually show a pairing prompt. Accept it. If you're playing local files, choose a DLNA or file share app, or use Google Home to cast your entire screen so the TV can decode formats it might not natively support. Make sure to set resolution and subtitles before playback, and check audio output settings on the TV to avoid delay. These steps handle compatibility and optimize playback quality. To finish, control the movie from your phone, pause, seek, and adjust volume, while using the TV remote for system audio levels when needed. When done, stop casting from the cast icon or disconnect in Google Home. Close the app to free resources. If something goes wrong, restart the router, phone, and TV in that order, and make sure VPNs or firewalls aren't blocking device discovery. That single restart sequence resolves most issues quickly and gets you back to uninterrupted viewing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.